Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Graphic Design. Adobe Creative Cloud provides a powerful suite of tools for visual communication. These industry-standard applications, like Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, empower designers to create stunning visuals across various mediums. Whether you are editing photos, crafting logos, or laying out a magazine, understanding these core programs is fundamental. We will explore the unique strengths of each, helping you build a strong foundation in digital design principles. Photoshop is your go-to for all things image editing and raster graphics. It allows you to manipulate photographs with incredible precision, using hundreds of tools for retouching, compositing, and enhancing. Mastering layers and masks is crucial for non-destructive workflows, ensuring your original image remains untouched. You can also apply various adjustments and filters to achieve stunning visual effects, making it perfect for photo restoration or creating digital paintings. When it comes to creating scalable artwork, Illustrator is the undisputed champion. This vector-based program allows you to design logos, icons, and illustrations that maintain perfect clarity at any size, from a tiny business card to a massive billboard. The pen tool is fundamental for drawing precise paths and shapes, while features like the Shape Builder tool simplify complex designs. It is truly indispensable for branding and graphic elements. For multi-page documents and professional publishing, InDesign is the ultimate tool. It allows you to seamlessly combine text, images, and graphics into beautifully organized layouts for brochures, magazines, books, and interactive PDFs. You can manage typography with incredible detail, ensuring consistent styles across hundreds of pages. InDesign also provides robust features for preparing your files for commercial printing, ensuring your final product looks exactly as intended.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.